Hi, I'm Betty Cooper, a technology instructor at the Poughkeepsie Public Library. Here is a computer tip for backing up your files. You can back up copies of your files and folders to an external device, such as a USB stick or an external hard drive. This is good because it protects your data even if your computer crashes. Here's how. To back up your files, first connect your external device that you want to use to save the backup. From the Windows 10 desktop, click the Start button, select Settings, then click Update and Security. Select Backup. Click the Automatically Backup My Files slider to turn it on. Click More Options to choose what folders and files to include in the backup. You can also select a disk drive to save the backup to. To burn content to a CD, put a burnable, writable disk in your CD/DVD drive. Open File Explorer. Select the content that you want to burn to disk. To burn more than one file or folder, hold the Control key down while you select them. Now, click the Share tab. Then click Burn to Disk button. Windows then formats your disk and burns it. Thank you for watching.